we are going to discuss the second chapter of class 11, that is units and measurement today. Okay, why units and measurement is necessary in physics class? Okay, units and measurement is very important because physics is what? Physics is the study of natural phenomena. Okay, therefore it is very important to measure these quantities. Okay, quantities should be measured perfectly in physics such that the sustained development is processed. Okay, therefore what unit is and measurement? Okay, first we should know what we are going to measure. Okay, what we are going to measure is that we are going to measure the physical quantities. Okay, we are going to measure what? Physical quantities. Okay, so what is physical quantities? Physical quantities are the characteristic, actually physical quantity is characteristic or characteristic, you can write physical characteristic of quantity which can be measured and which follows laws of physics. Those are called what? Physical quantities. Okay, now I can give you an example. This is what? Duster. Okay, I am going to measure the length of this duster. Okay, what is this? What is the length of this? It may be 15 centimeter, maybe approximately 15 centimeter. Okay, what I said that this value is 15 centimeter. Okay, what we have measured? We measure length of the object. Okay, length of the object is how much? 15 centimeter. So length is what? Length is a physical quantity. Okay, length is what? Physical quantity. So length is measured by 15 and this is centimeter. 15 is what? Number and centimeter is what? Unit. Okay, are you getting my point? So what? Physical quantity is equal to unit and into what? Value into unit. So if physical quantity can be represented as Q, then value is what? N and unit is U. So physical quantity is what? N into U. Okay, this is what? Physical quantity. Okay, next we are moving to the topic unit. Now what unit is? Okay, okay, now you are going to buy something in market. You are going to the shopkeeper use what? Balance. Okay, you want to buy, that's 1 kg of what? Fish. Okay, must be 1 kg of fish you are going to buy. Then what will the shopkeeper do? The shopkeeper will use this balance. Okay, what he will do? He will place some metal block here. Okay, metal block. Okay, and the fish to this side. The fish will place in the another side. Then what will he do? He will compare this metal block with this fish. Okay, so what will he do? He will compare this metal box mass, okay, not mass, actually it is pulled by gravity, so mg, okay, the mass of this metal block and mass of this fish again mg, okay, mass and gravity, so mg, okay. So metal block is compared with what? Fish. Therefore we can say that what unit is, then we will say this is 1 kg block, right? Okay, the shopkeeper will place 1 kg block. What does that mean? This means the fish is compared with this value 1 kg. Okay, what does it mean? That is 1 kg is compared with this fish. So what is unit? Unit is what? Kg. Okay, unit is what? Kg. That is kg is compared with this object. Therefore, to measure something, we use some standard value. Okay, we use some standard value. That is called what? That is called unit. Okay, we will use 1 kg block, 0.5 kg block, the 50 gram block. Lots of blocks are there. Okay, therefore what we do? Compare with this metal block with the other things. Another example we can give you. This is a length of some object. Okay, AB. So you want to measure this. So what you will do? You will compare with scale. Okay, what scale? You are using some scale whose specific value is, let us assume this is 1 meter scale. So you use 1 meter, another 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. So you are comparing 1 meter with this length. Then you will find some value. How much time? N times. Maybe it is equal to 4. Okay. Therefore, in comparison, we use what? Unit. Okay. So what we can write? Unit is something which is used. Unit is something used to measure another thing. Unit is something with some standard value. Unit is something used to measure another thing, used to measure and compare another thing with some standard value. So it can also be written as unit of a quantity is a standard measurement of the same quantity for purpose of comparison. You can লিখিব পাৰি কিতাবৰ definition of books. Okay, unit is something which is unit of a quantity. Unit of a quantity is a standard measurement of the same quantity for purpose of comparison. Unit is a quantity. Unit of a quantity is a standard measurement of the same quantity for purpose of comparison. This is what definition of measuring same things. Okay, this is what unit. So next we are moving to the topic class or types of unit. Okay, so types of unit. Okay, types of unit, first of all we can write fundamental unit. Fundamental unit. Okay, what fundamental unit is? Okay, fundamental units are the units which cannot express from other quantity or other physical quantity. Okay, so you can write the physical quantity. Physical quantity which you can write the quantity, the physical quantity which cannot be expressed in terms of other quantity. Other quantity is called fundamental quantity. Okay, the physical quantity which cannot be expressed in terms of other quantity is called fundamental quantity or fundamental unit. Okay, next fundamental quantity. Switch better. Fundamental quantity switch better. The physical quantity which cannot be expressed in terms of other quantity is called fundamental quantity. Okay, next one. Next we can write derived quantity. Number 2, derived quantity. The word derived expresses the meaning of the quantity. That is, we can derive the physical quantity from other quantity. Okay, the quantity which can be expressed in terms of other quantity. The quantity which can be expressed in terms of other quantity is called derived quantity. Okay. We can see the example. For example, what is the length of the object? That is 1 meter length. We cannot express length for other terms. Okay. Similarly, mass of the object. Mass we cannot we can take 1 kg. So this mass or length cannot be expressed in terms of other quantity, right? Okay. Similarly, time 1 second. Time is also cannot be expressed from other quantity. Therefore, we can say these are what? These are fundamental quantity. Now, if I ask you the question that what is the volume of an object? Volume. Okay. What volume is? Volume is what? Something. Let us consider a cube. Okay. This is cube. So what we need? We need area and what? Height. Okay. Something. Okay. This is what? This is area. This is area, and this is what? Length. So area into length what? Sorry, area into height. We can say it height. This is length into breadth, and this is height. If you place like this, so this is volume of the object. So what? Volume of the object is what? 1 meter into not 1 meter. Meter into meter. So from where we express the volume? We express the volume from what? Length. Okay? Length into length. So this is derived from the physical quantity length. Therefore, volume is a written as m cube. Volume is a derived quantity. Okay, clear? So similarly, you can write density. Right? Density what? What is density? Rho equal to m by v. So mass by what? Mass by volume. Volume means L cube. length cube গতিকে so therefore what will happen kg per meter cube. Okay, kg fundamental unit, meter fundamental unit. So rho, that is density, is described from two other physical quantity. Therefore density is derived quantity. Clear? Okay, next we are going to discuss fundamental units. Okay, fundamental units. Okay, we'll make a table of fundamental unit. Fundamental unit, right? Okay, first of all, physical quantity, unit, symbol. First of all, what? Physical quantity. First of all, we can write mass. Okay, mass is, unit of mass is kg, unit is kilogram. So symbol is kg. Okay, similarly, length, physical quantity is length, unit is what? Meter, and it is symbolized by m. Next, that is time, is another physical quantity which is fundamental, not unit, quantity, sorry, it should be quantity. Okay, time is what? Second. Okay, it is expressed in as second. Number 4, electric current. Electric current, we have studied it in class 10. Okay, and we have basic idea about that. You have used the unit as ampere, right? So here EMP is used, sometimes A is also used. Okay, next, luminous intensity. Luminous intensity is called candela. It is used as CD. Okay, number 6, amount of substance. These are fundamental quantity. We cannot express this from other quantity. Amount of, this is mole. Okay, this is expressed as mole. Number 7 is rate of space. Okay, this is uses temperature. It is used the SI unit Kelvin, and it is expressed as K. Those are the fundamental quantity. There are 7 fundamental quantity. That is fundamental physical quantity. That is mass, length, time, electric current, luminous intensity, amount of substance, and temperature. These are the unit, and these are symbol used for their unit. Okay, so this is fundamental quantity. Okay, next there are another supplementary units are there. Those are supplementary unit. Now, what are the supplementary units? Next, something more. That is supplementary, right? So, supplementary unit. There are 2 supplementary unit. Physical quantity. Unit. Symbol. Okay, physical quantity. First physical quantity, what is it? Plane angle. You know plane angle? This is what? This is plane angle. You know that this is angle theta. Okay, what the measurement of theta? We use it in class 10. That is radian. Okay, we use it radian. Therefore, unit is what? Unit is radian. Okay, it is symbolizes radian. Okay, another angle is solid angle. Solid angle. Okay, what solid angle is? Solid angle is this. Okay, let us consider this is a page of paper. Okay, we can make this is like this. Okay, we can keep solid like this, right? Therefore, it is called solid angle. We keep solid here. So this angle, okay, this angle is called what? Solid angle. And solid angle's unit is steradian. Steradian. Okay, it is used as ST. Okay, these are the supplementary unit. Okay, you will get lots of derived unit. Okay, you can use derived unit, lots of units when we will study the dimension. Then we will use lots of derived unit. Okay, we will discuss it later. Okay, next is what? System of units. This is clear. Okay, next, if you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment box, or you can directly call me to my phone number, okay, which is provided in the description. Next is system of units. System of units. How many system of units are there? Okay. Okay. First of all, we can start discuss FPS system. FPS system. Okay. This is also called British system. In British, the British use this. Okay. So for measurement of length, they use foot. Okay. They use the unit foot. You know that the measurement of land is done in what? Bigha, okay, in kotha, and lesser. Nowadays in the office, in circle office or DC office, if you go through these offices, then you will know that these are measured in lesser, kotha, bigha. All measurements are done nowadays also in British system. Okay. So foot is the unit of length. Okay, so foot square, foot into foot, that is what will be the foot into foot, that is the unit area of what? Area of what? Area, unit of area, so foot square, this is foot square is, if you go through, this is the 12 feet, okay, this is also 12 feet, okay, this land, this is occupied land, then this value is what? 1 lesser. 1 lesser. Okay, you will get better idea. You will study this. Okay, this is called what? 12 feet. 12 feet measurement. This you can measure room. What is the value of lesser in your room? You can measure. So this is 12 feet. 12 means what? 144 square feet. 144 square feet is what? 1 lesser. This is the unit of what? Area in FPS system. Okay, if you go through the 20 into 1 lesser, that is 20 lesser is equal to 1 kotha. Okay, again if 5 kotha is equal to 1 bigha. Correct? You can measure now 1 bigha, how much area covered by 1 bigha. You can easily measure now. You can measure your plot of your home. Okay, this is FPS system. Similarly, foot, I have told you, foot, pound. Next, pound is what? Unit of mass. We use now kg. So in FPS system, it is used as pound. That is 0.454 kg, maybe 1 pound. I forgot actually. Let me check. 0.454 kg. This is 1 pound. Okay. In pound system, this is, and second is second. You need not to study more. So this is what? FPS system. Another system is what? CGS system. CGS system. What CGS system is? C for centimeter. Centimeter. You know, you use it. Your scale. So centimeter is unit of what? Length. Simple. Similarly, we use gram, right? We use gram for G, that is for what? Mass. Okay, the unit of mass is what? Gram. Clear? Okay. Next is S for second. Okay, so this is what? CGS system. Next, another one system is MKS system. MKS system. What MKS system is? M means mass. In MKS system, that is, this unit is wall length 1 meter. M is for in MKS this is in meter, and the unit is means the for physical quantity length unit is meter, physical quantity mass unit is kilogram, and S for time it is used as MKS system. Okay, these are the different systems used in measurement. Therefore, lots of problem created due to unequal values. Okay, for unequal values, it creates lots of problem in measurement in different countries. If we will use different units, it will problem for what? For trading. For trading, very problem creates in this unit system. Okay, in science also, and all other fields, they create some problem due to different values of this image. Therefore, we need some standard system of units such that all this problem is reduced or eliminated. Therefore, it is used as SI system. SI system. Okay? Standard international. In 1976, it is adopted by all over the world for better performance of measurement. Okay, in SI system, what SI system is? In SI system, for length it is used as meter as unit. Meter. For mass, physical quantity mass, it is as kilogram, kg, meter, and for time it is as second. Okay, so why this is important? Because first important thing is they are rational. First of all, rational system. What rational system is? So advantage of SI system, we can write advantage of SI system. Okay, what are the advantages of SI system? Okay, first, rational system. What rational system is? First of all, if we go through the unit of energy, you know unit of energy in class 9? Okay, what is? Number 1, you can study this joule. Okay, number 2 in calorie. You have also studied as calorie in heat energy, right? Next, you have also studied as one unit system in current electricity. Okay, you are measuring the consumption of current by your home meter. As it is provided by electricity board, there is some measurement are done through what? Unit. The value is, the rate is measured by what? Unit. Therefore, this is also a unit of energy. So it is also, unit is also what? Kilowatt hour. Okay, so these are the different values or units of same quantity, physical quantity, what? Energy. Okay, this is the problem which we are facing before SI unit. So these all are measured in what? SI unit, that is joule. So this is one advantage of SI system. Okay, what advantage is that? That we will use only joule in SI. Then it is easy for us. Okay, next one is SI unit is coherent. SI unit is coherent. Coherent means we can derive other physical quantities unit from fundamental quantities unit. This is one of the advantages of SI unit. Okay, next one is SI unit is adopted by worldwide in the fields of like commerce, trade, okay, science and technology, etc. Okay, these are the advantages over SI units. So this is very important for you. Okay, so we'll discuss in the other topics in the next class. Thank you.